Slow.
You're going to have a notch back on the
Not
side,
bad, that's
and then
good.
one more post in the front.
Same
The
thing,
trick
line
to
your
it is
sights
you
up
need to
nice
pull the
and
rear
smooth.
and the front sights together in order to on the target. So just look straight through that notch, find that front side post, and
A little bit low, pull it too quick. Alright.
as a quick visual, those sights should line up just, and you can see all three posts in a row, and the tips of them should be even as well. While the tips of those posts should go directly on the target.
Slow your trigger pull down. Don't forget the
that
breathe.
orange circle. The tips of all three posts should be inside of that. Does that make sense?
Last shot, take your time.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, that was the low. The red one, I think you skimmed the red one. Is that what you were going for?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't put your finger on such an angle pointing down. Try and go straight left and right with your finger. You know what I mean? Yep. Pull that trigger slower. And then you should be able to fit your other pointer finger in between the firearm and there. Put your palm flat to the gun. You should be able to fit this finger in there. And that's how you know you're using just the right amount of the tip of your finger, okay?
Oh, okay. Cool. That's very helpful.
Yeah, it is actually. You hit that yellow one, good.
Yeah.
You're a bit on the portly side, so you're not able to see that.
Can't hit everyone.
Why would you do that?
Well, apparently you can.
He does. I don't. You know.
You in the military?
No.
Really? Okay, you're nice and slow. And that was just below the orange, not bad. High left of the orange, not bad. Good, right in the center. Good.
Let me take care of it.
That's pretty damn good.
Is that dead on?
Yep.
Right in the X. I think it was low. Yeah, low.
800 pounds, you did want it, so
Low left.
you try to keep it right thing.
Don't forget to breathe. The more oxygen you put in the blood, the better you're going to be.
Oh.
Good. Just slow the X. Good.
Woo!
You all right?
Yeah.
Go ahead, pump it. You're good to go. Try it again. If it goes click, that's probably it. Nope, that was not it.
No, that was not